Well, we've had a great day of hiking today, and I thought I would show you how cooking and dinner happens on the trail. So I have my Snow Peak titanium mug with a lid on it, and this is how I carry it during the day on the trail. And inside, I have some things that I carry in it. So I have my propane, and then this handkerchief has a lighter and my stove. Let me show you how this all works to make dinner. So I am gonna have a freeze-dried meal, pad thai from Good To Go Foods, and it requires 1 cup of boiling water to rehydrate it. So let's go ahead and make that and see what it's like. So I've got my fuel. This is my little Snow Peak titanium stove that comes all shut down like this, and all you do is spread open the wings and lift up the flaps, which make a nice platform for putting your mug on as the stove is working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this onto my can. There are threads that allow these two to work together, and you can hear a little bit of propane coming out. As simple as that. Can you see the flame? All right, so that's as simple as it is to light the stove. I have some water, and I'm going to put a cup of filtered water into my mug. And that, I don't have it on the most even surface right now because I wanted to put it in a place where I could also videotape. And that is how that is done. So while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'll put the lid on to help with that a little bit. And I will put some more filtered water into my containers and just do some camp chores while I wait for the water to boil. All right, I can hear that the water is boiling. So go ahead and take the lid off, turn the stove off. Can you see the steam rising out of there? I'm just going to pour a cup of water. If you don't want it quite as soupy, you can pour a little less water in. And seal it up really well. Now we have to let it wait for 15 minutes. So what I typically do is I'll put it inside of a insulated something or other, like a jacket or a vest, to let it keep the heat while it is rehydrating. But I wanted to share with you what 3 days of no cooking food looks like. I am headed out of here tomorrow morning from my Zero, and just wanted to share with you how I am planning to eat no cook. I know that seems to cause a little confusion and concern for some folks. So let's have a look. Tomorrow morning, I will have some hard-boiled eggs via instant iced coffee and a protein bar. I have some fruit packed, a real apple since it's, early out on the trail. And then for lunch, I have a tortilla, avocado, and some shelf-stable bacon. For snacks, I have nuts, and I also have a candy. And every day for lunch is a derivation of this. I have another fresh fruit. The third day, I have dried fruit instead, more nuts for each day. And then instead of the avocado and bacon for lunch, I'll have peanut butter and jelly one day and peanut butter and honey another day, and then more candy. And I also have this amazing grass superfood, which has electrolytes, and I think this one even has some caffeine in it or something. So this is a serving of fruit and vegetables. So that helps a little bit out on the trail. I'm sure it doesn't do too much. And then for dinners, it's actually only going to be 2 nights of dinners because the third night I should be in to Glasgow and I will be staying at Stanimals and can go out to dinner. So I have some Ritz crackers, or I'm sorry, Triscuit crackers, and some more tortillas. These tortillas will be used for lunch as well. I'll reuse the Ziploc bag each day and just put this a tortilla for lunch in my fanny pack each morning. I've got some mustard, some hard cheese that's already sliced, so it just kind of makes it easy. I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag so I don't have to carry this hard packaging out, and some dry salami. So that is what it's 3 breakfasts and 2 dinners will look like headed out onto the trail. And it looks pretty good. So I've got some fresh fruits and vegetables as well as some dried fruit and some good sources of proteins from the peanut butter, the nuts, bacon, cheese, and salami. I've got some good fats in the peanut butter and in the avocado and bacon again, and eggs. So, you know, it's a good mixture of things that I need, and of course there's plenty of carbs here as well. So this is what the next 3 days looks like. At the third natural wonder in Virginia.